Bonafide Hustler here, and we have a general kind of thrifty vlog. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of my house, and I had to be real hush-hush out there because this video opens up with a bike sale. There's a guy that's wheeling out this bike that was 35 bucks, and I sold it for 280, wheeling it out to his car, so real quick shot, nothing crazy. That's how we opened up the day today. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler and get the free money-making guide. It's right here. You can learn 50 items that you can commonly find at thrift stores and garage sales, and you can flip these things for great profit. Go check out that guide. It's the first link down below. Man, lots of cool things gonna happen on this vlog. We're just gonna see where it goes. Let's go. We got to look at that cold, hard cheddar. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh. Okay, I just came from that Goodwill boutique over there. They're playing some crazy Christmas music. I'll probably get a copyright strike. I did pop on this Nyland 85th anniversary Powermatic truck, right? It's a Nyland. Pretty nice, brand new. Looks awesome. Usually sells for right around 120 on eBay. I bought this for 14 bucks. I'll be asking about 100. Got to get all this garage dust off of it, but it looks pretty good. Also popped on this table for the house. Nothing really crazy. Might put it in the booth, I don't know. Pretty, 22 bucks. I think I'll keep it. But I could put it in the booth for like 80 as well. Yeah, I think it looks kind of good right here next to the cat scratching post thing. But it looks pretty good, right? What you think? This table is awesome, right? What? What are you doing? Why are you trying to eat me? It's a pretty cool little table, 20 bucks. We'll see how this thing works. What do you guys think in the comments? Should I sell it or should I leave it here? So it's like officially the next day, and yeah, someone might pick up this really cool desk that I found at a Goodwill about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, something like that. I think it was Thanksgiving week. It was the week of Thanksgiving I found it. All I know is, okay, maybe 4 weeks ago. So yeah, pretty cool little MCM/contemporary desk. I'll show it to you later in the video, but yeah, someone's gonna, I think, bring $500 cash for this desk that I think I'm like 60 bucks into. We'll look at it later. So I caught word that the person that wants to look at the desk is on their way. They're gonna be here in 30 minutes, and I haven't even shown you guys the desk. And yeah, that looks like a, anyway, okay, so let's go look at this desk that I picked up for 60 bucks that should sell for 500. Dude, there's so much crazy crap in this garage. All awesome resellable stuff. There's the thing I picked up yesterday. Picked up this for $249 yesterday as well. Catan Traders and Barbarian set, brand new. Should sell for 35 or so on eBay. The other day I picked up some cool little Yellowstone looking kind of vests from Sabres. I got a 20% off coupon that I applied to all these prices. Here's one that'll probably be in the booth for around 100. And then we have a generic crappy one with a small zipper, but still got that Mackinac feel. And this one right here is going to be in the booth for around 40, and I paid like $6 for it. So nothing super crazy. Also got a Bones 2. So it's a Saris Bones 2 bike rack yesterday for, let's see how much this thing was. I think it was pretty cheap. Yeah, $9.49. It's about 10 bucks, and should sell for right around 40 to 50 locally. All right, so here's the desk. It's like a mid-century modern/contemporary floating, right? It's called a floating desk because it kind of looks like it's floating. Anyway, so yeah, this was at a Goodwill for 60 bucks. It's so nice. Even comes with keys for these locks that don't really work, but you know, it's a nice like kind of finish on top like that. Don't know what to really call it. We'll just call it Bakelite. Guys, it's Bakelite. That's just what it is. Yeah, we have some solid wood. It's really nice. It's very heavy. So I listed it for 600, then 550, then 500, and all of a sudden people are starting to talk about it at 500, and I think that's where it's ultimately gonna sell. 500 bucks, beautiful desk. Honestly, I kind of want to add this to my house collection, but at the same time, it's really big. It would be nice to have this whole thing back to normal in my garage. So I could put a scooter there or something else. I'm actually gonna get something that kind of fits in this area, but that's a surprise later. But yeah, what a beautiful desk. If you want a really clear picture of this thing, go check out my Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you'll see a much better picture of this shot in the daylight. What's up, guys? I don't know whether to look here, in the mirror. I have no idea. Okay, so I went thrifting today, and I found some cool things. I'll show you here in a second, but I have to ship out something that's sold within 5 days. Really cool. This is actually gonna make it into the new guide. That's right, there's another guide coming out. And there they are. Yeah, little snake boots. The brand I won't tell you about, but it'll be in the guide. But yeah, the brand is Chippewa. There you go. Now you know. There it is. Pretty awesome boots. They sold for $175. I picked this up last weekend for, I think 17, 18, something like that. Pretty good, you know, turnaround, pretty good flip. So I'm gonna put that in here. And yes, there's a 1991 Leonardo on the floor. What else do we have? Things I found today. Lululemon gym bag. This is probably worth about $150. I think I might just give it to my girlfriend. This was like 11 bucks out the door. That's a Lululemon yoga gym bag, perfect condition, amazing, just sitting in the bag section. So I had to pick that up. We have an Austin ACL Fest jacket. This is the back of the jacket, satin jacket, amazing embroidery. I don't know, I can't remember the company that was contracted by the ACL Festival to make this jacket, but it's very significant to the ACL Festival and you can't buy it anywhere else. So pretty cool, it even says ACL Fest right there. It's probably about 80 to 100 bucks in my antique booth. I think I paid $757 for this. My bad, probably eBay, then I'll leave it in my antique booth, you know, to just chill there, but it'll be double listed. Found this for around, I think it was 11 today. I'm not 100% sure. Actually, no, this was 22. Yeah, 22 bucks. Place called Pavement here in town. This is suede, awesome jacket with, you know, some tooling, some embroidery, whatever. Really nice. Got the fringe going on. In my booth, I'm gonna be asking about $120, $140 for that all day. Also got a Liz Claiborne Sport. So weird. I'm gonna actually axe the tag out of this thing. I'm gonna take this Liz Sport petite thing out of here, and then we'll just be left with a disc tag right here. But this was $4 at a Savers, and it has a little bit of a, you know, interesting kind of side to it. A little Aztec-y, but not really. Still in the booth. I think I can get $40, $50 for that all day. The next day, I actually went to the antique booth to drop off some purses that my girlfriend had bought, and one was like a small little duffel bag by Coach. These were both vintage, and they're both probably worth about $150 a piece. She paid $10 a piece for these things. All right, so from this Goodwill, they're playing a lot of music in there, and so it's really hard to like talk or say anything on video, but I just popped on this right here. Look at this Robert Weiss mirror, really cool. Anyway, it's got little acorns, almost looks like mushrooms. Beautiful mirror, oval style. This is probably gonna be around $150, $200 in my booth, and who knows, yeah. I paid 15 bucks for it, technically 16, actually technically 17. I rounded up and gave some money to their donation thingy. But this is a beautiful mirror. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. Would you have popped on something like this? Check it out. There goes another Bikes to Bucks right there. That was a small frame specialized hard rock that I had popped on for 40 bucks about a year ago. And girlfriend rode it for a little bit, but I found her a better bike. So just sold it for $250 cash. Pretty awesome, there it is, $250 cash, love it. Anyway, I think this is where we're gonna end this vlog because I wanna open up a next one, all right? So hit the like button if you like these vlogs, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy, goodbye.